Hey there, my left side bucket lift cylinder here, tilt cylinder, whatever you want to call it, was stuck. Right one would move, this one wouldn't move at all. No matter how hot you got it, it just wouldn't move. And I think this is a Wagner W Wagner 120. Back on here for now. I need to replace all the hoses on this thing. They're pretty crusty, especially the ones up by the controls. And I need to replace the feed hose off of the crank mounted pump going to the strainer. I need to service the strainer, but I'll do that after I get everything else working. Now for the moment of truth, I'll put the hoses back on. Let's see if this thing will move now. Hopefully it does. And now I got to move a little bit. And then it got stuck again, so I'll be pulling that thing apart to, I guess, repack that side and go about servicing the whole loader system on this thing. You still have to get hoses and service the filter and all that, so I'll be back for that. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff, and I'll catch you next time.